China is the world's largest producer of solar panels, but the EU investigation is pressuring an industry that is already struggling with overcapacity and falling prices. Some have been forced to cut production, while others face consolidation. Lihuan Wang reports from Shanghai.
Zhejiang-based Era Solar was established in 2005 and is a maker of solar cells and modules. The general manager says they've seen a drop in the number of orders, often with clients pulling out at the very last minute. The reason, according to Hong, is mostly due to subsidy cuts for solar development programs across Europe. But the recent anti-dumping probe has changed things drastically too.
The
psychological pressure is on. A lot of companies, like ours, originally would be ordering raw materials to speed up production at year's end. But because of the anti-dumping investigations, no one knows what's going to happen.
Era Solar's factories are only running at about 1/3 of their full production capacity, and Hong says that's above the industry average. Currently, about 90% of all Chinese-made solar products are exported. Last year, China sold about 21 billion euros of solar panels and components to Europe, about 70% of all exports. Most industry insiders agree that in order to jumpstart domestic demand, there has to be a transition from producing modules to making solar panel systems for domestic use.
For the domestic market to really take off, we need time, and we need key policies to be in place. For instance, how to feed power generated by solar plants onto the electricity grid.
About a week ago, the government doubled China's target for solar generation capacity to 40 gigawatts by 2015, welcome news for struggling manufacturers. But experts say some smaller companies might not be able to last until then. If the EU investigation goes ahead, it is scheduled to take 15 months before anti-dumping measures really take effect. That would be a huge blow to the Chinese solar industry. Until then, companies like Era Solar will be holding on tight and hoping that domestic solar power systems take off. Wang Lihuan, ICS for CCTV, Shanghai.